Okay, good morning everyone. So today is March 2 and this is today's newspaper. Okay, so this is the front page of the Hindu, and before the front page there are few pages which are called as flaps, and this is the flap number 4. Okay, so F4 means flap 4. So on the flap 4 they have provided this map of the Ukraine and the neighboring countries. Okay, so in this map they have provided the name of the cities, so you need to note down the name of these cities. For example, this Kiev. Okay, and then Donetsk, the region in the Ukraine. So these kind of these name of these cities can be asked in the prelims exam. For example, Luhansk. Okay, so you should note down the or draw the map and the neighboring countries as well as these cities. So this is in the flap 4 of the paper. Moving down on the front page also there is the name of few cities like Kharkiv. Okay, this there is a city called Belgorod in the Russia, so you should also note down this thing. Next is GST revenues. So if you don't know what is GST, please google it and note down the some important point about the GST. Also this GST compensation cess is important. Then we can skip the page number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which are not important. Moving on to the page number 8. Okay, so page number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 are not important. On page number 8, the editorial page, so this article, a cautionary tale. uh, in the yesterday's paper also there was news about the IPCC and the report published by it. Okay, so if you read about that news properly and note down the points, then it is almost similar to the yesterday's news. Okay, if you have not read the yesterday's paper, then you should read this article and note down few important points, right? This article, Buster's wheels of justice grind exceedingly slow. This is not very relevant, so you can skip this article. The Ukraine war, India and a stand of non-alignment. This is a very good article. Okay, some very important terms are given here. For example, Minsk agreement. There is also this Nehruvian policy, classical Nehruvian policy or non-alignment. So you should know what is non-alignment policy. Okay, see, such kind of article help you in developing the overall understanding about the topics. Okay, so you will get some good point about the IR. This article kicked out, this is not important, so you can skip it. Moving on to the page number 8. No, this is okay, page number 9. So this is it is page number 9, a history of clothing and why it matters. Now this has been a issue for so many days. Okay, so you should read this article. Next is grassroots secularism grows. Secularism. So in the paper 1 there is a topic of political philosophies. So secularism is also a political philosophy, so it is directly related with our syllabus. You should read this article. Okay, this one is not important, lessons from the urban local body. So regional news not important, is you can skip it. Moving on to the page number 10. On the page number 10 is also there nothing important. This one is important here, doubts over defense supplies in India. So this article discusses the defense related relation between the India Russia and also between the India and Ukraine. So you will get some good information about this defense relation. Okay, moving on the next page, this assembly pose, this is not important for us. So next, page number 12. On the page number 12 there is nothing important. Page number 13. On page number 13 the important thing is this: cash strap Egypt hike Suez Canal transit fees for ships. Now this Suez Canal, so you should know what is this Suez Canal. It is one of the most important waterways, right? Suez Canal, it connects the Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea, so you should know about it. Next is this business page: chip shortage crimps auto wholesales. Now here the issue of semiconductor chips, right? These semiconductor chips, they are used in the automobiles and other you can say industries. So you should know what is this semiconductor chip and what are their uses. Okay, so this is important. Next, Ukraine war will lift import bill, widen current account deficit. This term current of account deficit is important. Investment via P note dropped to 87,989 crore. So you should know what is this P note or participatory notes, right? So here it is given. On the sports page there is nothing important for us, so but if you are having some interest in the sports you can certainly read these news, but not anything important for our exams. On the text and context page there is nothing very important, but this article, the history of Kuki insurgency in Manipur, so this is related to the northeast specifically, and you should read this article. Okay, rest of the things are not important. So these are the only things which are important in this today's newspaper. I will also put a copy of this newspaper, okay, the PDF copy, on my YouTube channel, so from there you can download the newspaper and read it. Okay, thank you.